What do we do?
Attack! Attack! Attack formation! Attack! Attack! Ah! Ah! It was meant to be. Healthy. Bed lounge. Oh, this is our hostel room in Prague that we stayed in. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beds, and we're trying to get the full backpacking experience. We've just been doing a lot of some other work and some other stuff, and now we're trying to get kind of the full backpacking experience. This is the check-in in Prague, and just pretty cool little hostel, and now we're gonna do backpacking all around Europe, so be sure to check that out. And this is what we got. Try and go down the ramp without falling. It's on the right side. It's level 10 difficulty.